Hello everyone and welcome to day 16 of Craftmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make no-sew Christmas stockings. Okay, so all you're going to need for this is some fabric, preferably Christmassy themed, or it doesn't have to be, it can be anything you want. Some scissors and your hot glue gun. And all we're going to do is cut a sock shape out of this fabric, so let's have a look. And the reason I'm doing a no-sew stocking is because I'm not particularly great at sewing. I'm not bad, I can do it, but more would go wrong if I was to sew these, so it's a lot easier just to glue gun everything. And then you'll have something that looks like this. Don't worry, you can tidy the edges up in a minute. So you've got kind of a basic sock shape. Yeah, so once you've got that, you want to glue your sock down onto the fabric again, with the fabric's backed here. And that makes it just easier than cutting another shape out. Oh, but don't stick the top bit along. Don't stick this bit to the side, because you want that to be open. And just do it in stages. You don't want to go too crazy and too fast with it, because otherwise your glue will dry before you even get a chance to stick it down. And the best thing about this stuff as well is you can personalize it, you can make it your own, decorate it. It's completely up to you. And obviously make them as big or as small as you want. If you make some nice little small ones, it would do really good for like an advent calendar, which is something I was going to actually do, but I just don't have time. I honestly don't. I've got too much to do and not enough time. But yeah, if you make like lots of little ones, obviously 25 of them, then you can do a nice little advent calendar with it. So then once that's done, we're going to cut all the way back around and tidy up all the edges. So yeah. Okay, and then you'll have something that looks like this, and what I've left is a top part, obviously so you can put stuff inside, but I've also left like a little flap, and what I want to do is I want to glue this down, and then it would make kind of like what's the correct term for it? A hem? Is it called a hem or a seam? I'm not sure, but it just makes it look more like a stocking or like a sock. So just add a little bit of glue and just stick that bit down. You could obviously add some trim, you could kind of do a different colour or anything. It just kind of, I think it just makes it look a little nicer. I should have really cut them straight, but I haven't. But you'll have something that looks like that, and obviously it's open there so you can put stuff inside. And there's some other ones I've made, so I'll show you them as well. Okay, so you can kind of play around and have fun. Like I've made this little tiny one, which you could probably put like, I don't know, you could roll a 20 quid note up in there and give it to someone or something. Or some chocolates. You can hide some little mini bottles of booze in these. And I've personalised this one. And just put my name on with some scraps of fabric. And then I've added a little loop there so it can kind of hang. And I think that looks really cute. It's really rough, it's not perfect, but it does the job, and it's really easy to do. And I could probably easily get a bottle of wine in there, so it's kind of perfect. It's all I want, a bottle of wine. I think it looks really nice. And you can kind of, you could easily like put little kind of threads through these and hang them on the tree and pop numbers on them, again, as like an advent calendar. Just do loads of different things, but once you've got the basics down, you can do anything. And you could probably add a trim to tidy up these edges as well. But again, I don't really have the time, but yeah, that's how you do kind of a no-sewing stocking. And I'm not mad at it. I think it's alright. But hopefully you did enjoy today's episode of Craftmas. If you have missed any of the other ones that I've done, I will leave a playlist down in the description below and also over on my channel, so make sure to check all of them out. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the other episodes of Craftmas that are coming up, because some of them are going to be fantastic. But hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for day 17 of Craftmas. Bye!